Excel lookup functions are a set of powerful tools designed to search for and retrieve data from a specific location within a spreadsheet. They are fundamental in simplifying data analysis and management tasks by enabling users to find specific information quickly within a vast array of data. The core lookup functions include VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, lookup, index, and match, each with its distinct application. Their primary purpose is to enhance the efficiency and accuracy of data retrieval, enabling users to perform complex calculations and data cross-referencing with ease. The significance of understanding Excel lookup functions lies in their ability to streamline various data management processes. For anyone working with Excel, mastering these functions can lead to increased productivity and greater data integrity, as they automate the process of finding and compiling information from large data sets. This capability is crucial in fields such as finance, marketing, and data science, where precision and efficiency are paramount. Consider the function VLOOKUP, commonly used to fetch a data point in a table or a range by searching for a matching entry in the first column. For instance, a marketer might use VLOOKUP to find customer names based on their ID numbers from a sales database quickly. Similarly, an HR manager could use it to pull employee information like department and position by referencing their unique identification numbers, thus facilitating employee data management. There are alternative viewpoints that suggest focusing on newer Excel functions like XLOOKUP, which provide more flexibility and are easier to use. XLOOKUP is considered a more advanced successor to VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, addressing several limitations such as the inability of the older functions to search to the left of a data range or to handle errors invisibly. Understanding Excel lookup functions is foundational to mastering other advanced Excel techniques. They serve as a stepping stone to more complex data manipulation procedures. Once users grasp the concept and execution of these functions, they can seamlessly transition to using nested functions or integrating lookup functions with other Excel tools, thereby expanding their data analysis capabilities comprehensively. Understanding the VLOOKUP function is essential for anyone looking to master Microsoft Excel's suite of lookup functions. VLOOKUP, which stands for vertical lookup, is a powerful function designed to search the first column of a range for a specific value and return a value in the same row from a specified column. This function simplifies the process of retrieving data from large datasets, making it a cornerstone tool for data analysis and management in Excel. The significance of VLOOKUP lies in its ability to streamline data retrieval. Instead of manually scanning through endless rows of data, VLOOKUP automates the process, ensuring accuracy and saving time. This is particularly crucial in business environments where quick access to relevant information is critical for decision-making. Despite its usefulness, VLOOKUP does have its criticisms. It is often considered less flexible compared to alternative functions like index and match. VLOOKUP can only search for values in the leftmost column, which can limit its usability. Moreover, it defaults to an approximate match unless otherwise specified, a feature that might lead to errors if overlooked. This has led some users to advocate for similar functions that offer greater flexibility and accuracy. Nevertheless, VLOOKUP remains a staple in Excel due to its straightforward syntax and ease of use, especially for beginners. Those just starting with Excel will find learning VLOOKUP to be an accessible entry point into understanding more complex data operations within the software. Its widespread application and utility bridge seamlessly into more advanced concepts, giving users a foundational tool that supports a larger understanding of Excel's capabilities. In summary, VLOOKUP is an indispensable function for Excel users aiming to enhance their data analysis skills. While there are other advanced lookup functions available, VLOOKUP's reliability and simplicity continue to make it a favored choice among many. Understanding its operation is pivotal for anyone looking to leverage Excel for efficient data management and analysis. The lookup function in Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool designed for horizontal lookups. It searches for a specified value in the first row of a table and returns a value in the same column from a row you specify. This is particularly useful when dealing with data arranged horizontally across a spreadsheet, as opposed to vertical data, which is more commonly handled by the VLOOKUP function. The significance of lookup in Excel lies in its ability to streamline data analysis processes where information is organized horizontally. For instance, a sales analyst working with a data set where monthly sales figures for different products are laid out in rows can use lookup to quickly find a particular month's sales figure for analysis. This saves time and reduces the potential for error compared to manually searching through data. One practical example of lookup in action could be a financial report where quarterly earnings are laid out in rows, labeled Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, across columns representing different years. A company's financial officer, wanting to compare first quarter earnings over several years, can use lookup to efficiently pull the relevant data from the matrix. Another example is in educational settings, where student scores across various subjects are displayed in rows. A teacher can use lookup to retrieve a specific student's performance in a particular subject quickly. Some experts see the function as indispensable for certain data structures and appreciate its ability to handle complex data retrievals without requiring extensive formula knowledge. However, some users believe that updates in Excel functions, like the advent of the more versatile XLOOKUP, have overshadowed lookup's utility by offering enhanced flexibility and ease of use. Challenges associated with lookup may include its limitations in handling vertical search fields and its requirement for exact data organization, with the search row always needing to be the top row of the selected array. Mistakes in referencing or arranging data in this format can lead to errors or necessitate reworking the dataset layout, an additional step that may not always be feasible. This exploration of lookup links directly to the broader topic of Excel's lookup functions by highlighting its specific use case and illustrating how each lookup function caters differently based on data alignment. Understanding lookup enriches one's overall comprehension of lookup strategies in Excel, promoting more efficient data handling and problem-solving skills. Such knowledge is crucial for anyone aiming to master Excel tools and leverage them effectively in various professional contexts. The combination of the index and match functions in Microsoft Excel offers a powerful alternative to using the more commonly known VLOOKUP function. The index function returns the value of a cell within a specified range based on the cell's row and column numbers, while the match function searches for a specified item in a range and returns its relative position. By using these two functions together, you can perform lookups in Excel that are more flexible and dynamic than those possible with VLOOKUP alone. The significance of mastering the index and match functions in Excel cannot be understated. These functions allow for more complex and versatile data retrieval, enabling users to create highly adaptable spreadsheets. Unlike VLOOKUP, which requires that the lookup column be the leftmost column in the table, index and match can search for values anywhere within the data range. This makes them essential tools for anyone needing to perform comprehensive data analysis or manipulate large datasets effectively. Consider a real-world application. Imagine you work as an analyst for a retail company and need to find the price of an item based on its SKU from a dataset. Using index and match, you can efficiently retrieve the price even if the SKU column is not the leftmost column. Another example is in financial modeling, where you need to pull data from various sheets and positions. Instead of restructuring your data, you can use index and match to gather information swiftly and accurately from anywhere within your spreadsheet. Supporters of this approach argue that the flexibility and power of index and match make them superior to VLOOKUP, especially in terms of data integrity. While VLOOKUP is limited by needing to know the exact structure of the data table, index and match allow users to avoid rearranging columns, thus maintaining the original structure and integrity of the dataset. However, one potential challenge is that these functions can appear complex to beginners. The syntax can seem daunting compared to the straightforward approach of VLOOKUP, which could deter some users from fully embracing this powerful technique. Despite this challenge, learning and using index and match can greatly enhance one's ability to perform advanced lookups in Excel. This proficiency ties into the broader skills necessary for the effective data analysis, complementing other functions and enhancing overall spreadsheet management capabilities. Embracing the complexity of these functions ultimately empowers users to create robust and flexible data solutions, critical for strategic decision-making in any data-driven environment.